Hi kids, DJ Disney here. I'm so glad you're with me.
Featuring a new toy today. It's Lego Mini Backhoe Loader. It's an excavator, a 2-in-1 excavator that you can build. This is part of the Technic collection for ages 8 to 14. However, it's simple enough for younger ages as well. It's a really neat excavator. It's built out of longer pieces rather than the small ones that you're used to with Lego. Make any job easier with the iconic mini backhoe loader. It features some realistic details like raising and lowering the front arm, hydraulic action, pivoting in the middle, a tipping front bucket, as well as a tipping shovel in the back. It has articulated steering and lowering and raising backhoe and bucket. This is the first of the 2-in-1 model. You can rebuild it into a telehandler. It measures over 4 inches high, 12 inches long, and 3 inches wide. It's a very fun one. So here we are at our construction site. We're mining for Gemstones, and we have Play-Doh that we'll be using today to make our Gemstones. We're going to roll different colored Play-Doh balls. This mining truck is going to help us carry our Gemstones. We'll feature this truck in the next video. This job requires the use of the front bucket and scooping it up into the mining truck. This loader is up to its job. It's doing great work. Here comes the Este truck to help. It might be too small for the job. The Este truck can help. There are plenty of gemstones for everyone to carry. It's all full. Take it away. A job well done, team. Well, this was so much fun. Thanks for watching, kids. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos. Bye, everyone.